Hello, today we're talking about invisible clutter, or what I call hidden clutter. And the idea is that if it's out of sight, it's out of mind. However, the problem with invisible clutter, or having a Monica closet or three, is that there's no place to put the things we really need, love, and use that we have out every day. And that's why we have clutter in our house, because we haven't, number one, created a space for the things that we need, love, and use. Number two, the space that we think we want to put them in is crowded with things that we don't need, love, and use. And number three, we have a bad habit of leaving it out and not putting it in its home. So today I want you to think about your invisible clutter. Yes, it's not going to give you immediate impact, but yes, it is going to give you long-term impact. So today, start working on your hidden clutter. Make it a great day.